You get the lid. Look, even the little finial on the top is a cobweb. You also get a ghost cookie cutter and a recipe card, but I just want you to feast your eyes on this adorable shape. Yes, it has the silicone seal, so you can put what you like in it. Dog treats, candy. We have some peanut butter cups in there, which thank you for whomever put those out. But you get the little bats and the cobwebs. We are in love and totally feeling the Boo-fetti vibe.
Isn't that cute? So Boo-fetti is actually a pattern that we launched, I guess, wow, about 2 years ago. And it's just that fun way to add some whimsy to your countertops. And it has like taken us by storm. And what I love is that it really embodies what the brand is all about, that having fun, that little pop on your countertop. And so the fact that we were able to do a figural and a sculptural ghost, but then give you, of course, everything you would expect, like that silicone seal here, all stoneware. So everything's gonna go right into the dishwasher. I love, again, being able to pop little accents. If you saw, we have the covered ramekins, so you can start to see how you can build the collection, and maybe everybody sits around the little ghost and you have something really sweet that, of course, you can keep things in on your countertop.
So, excuse me, from stem to stern, I just wanted to measure all the way to the top of the finial. It's about 10 inches tall, a little over 10 inches tall from the base all the way to the top of the finial, so it'll be able to fit under your countertop perfectly. But you also, like I said a moment ago, get the cookie cutter. So if you want to make little ghost cookies like we have inside this jar here, you can absolutely do that, and you get the little recipe too, so you can make this a possibility in your own home.
And you know what's great about like our harvest patterns, why we love Temp-tations Days, we get so excited for the month of August because we bring back all of those patterns that are seasonal, like Boo-fetti, like harvest. And so you only see them this time of year, and when they're gone, they're gone. We don't know if we'll get them back next year. We will continue, of course, with the great patterns, but we can't guarantee that we'll have these piece types. This cookie jar has been a really beautiful kind of limited edition, super fun way to have some excitement and season on your countertop.
This is what I like to refer to as a Temp-tations collector's piece. This is, if you are a Temp-tations fan, this is the one that you want to say, I picked this up in 2020 and I love it every single year. It's been going strong for 10, 20, 30, 40 years. Also, the comparable retail value is $36. We have it for 26 and change, so you're saving approximately $10 today. And we have 3 easy payments of $8.92. This is an announcement. It is hard for us to keep Boo-fetti in stock. So if you see it and you're going, that's cute, I'm gonna carry on about my day, please. Please don't wait on when you see Boo-fetti on your screen. It is time to place your order. I do believe we have somebody on the phone that knows this to be true. Monica is joining us from Arkansas. Hi, Monica. My name is Mary. Please meet Tara.
Good morning, Monica.
And Tara, how are you all?
Doing so well.
Excellent.
And so, are you a Boo-fetti fan?
I'm a Temp-tation fan. All of it.
Yay.
It is great. I give it for gifts. I've been going to wedding showers, and the young girls that I give this stuff to, they just love it. But I have Harvest, Boo-fetti, Egg Hunt, Polka Dot. I just love it. I use it every day for something.
I love it. And how does it clean up for you, Monica?
Oh, perfect. I use it in the dishwasher. A lot of times I don't even have to use the dishwasher. I can just, use it with a soapy rag, and it's clean. It's so wonderful. I'm having trouble storing it right now because I have so much.
Oh, we could start a club.
Monica, it's nice enough that you can leave it out, though, so that helps, right?
Well, I do. I use it for decorating. I change seasons in my kitchen every season, and I use it for decorating, and it's so beautiful just sitting out.
I agree. And you know what I love about the Boo-fetti too, Monica, I would love to share, is that a lot of times in the Halloween and fall, when we play at Halloween, sometimes the decorations can get a little scary. And so I remember as a little girl, sometimes the Halloween stuff would get me all spooked out.
Right.
But this
I love the Harvest, and I just blend that Boo-fetti in, and it's perfect.
Oh, I'm so glad that you love it too. Thank you for calling in.
I'm so glad to talk. Tara, tell Lisa I said hey.
Oh, I absolutely will. She's listening, so we are at her house this morning.
I've been watching y'all's videos and just keeping up with everything.
Oh, thank you, Monica. Thanks for checking in with us this morning. It's always nice to hear your voice.
Mary, tell David I said hello, and y'all, God bless y'all, and take care, okay?
Thank you, Monica. You too. Bye-bye for
Okay,
now.
bye-bye.
Oh, what a love. I love it. That's what happens. Temptations is a family. And yes, it's for your family to enjoy, but as collectors, we love to chat about it together. So feel free to continue to call in during this hour. This is the Boo-fetti cookie jar, and it is on 3 easy payments of $8.92. Hard to keep it in stock, and it is a collector's item. So stay tuned for more fall fun and for more Boo-fetti.